My friends, let's type the same program again, but with few changes. So A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, C is equal to A plus B, and I'm asking him to print C on the screen. We need to understand few things. It is almost the same program. When we click run, what computer will do? It will execute the first instruction, and here the first instruction is Mr. Computer, assign 20 to A. Again, my friends, because I'm using the assignment operator. Assign 30 to B, and it will assign 30 to B. Just remember one thing, that I'm assigning 20 to capital A, uppercase A, and I'm assigning 30 to the uppercase B. Here, I'm asking him pick up the value of A, and it will look for the uppercase A. It will go there, and the uppercase A, 20 is there. It will pick up 20. Now, I'm asking him that pick up the value of B, but lowercase b, and here we have assigned 30 to the uppercase B. So now it will look, and it will never be able to find the value of a lowercase b. So now it will give you an error that I looked for this lowercase b, but I couldn't find that what is lowercase b. So here it should give us an error. Let's run this program and see that what will happen. When we click run, see, it gave us an error. We need to understand. So what? Just give me a second. So line number 3, this is the instruction on line number 3. See, this is line number 3. This is the instruction, and it is telling us that I'm looking for the lowercase b and I couldn't find it. So b is not defined. The only point here which I'm trying to explain, my friends, here are that whenever you assign the value to the uppercase A, then you have to use the uppercase A. Here you are assigning the value to the uppercase B. So here you will have to use the uppercase B. Python is case sensitive. So if you declare anything with the uppercase, then you have to use it in the uppercase. You can use it in the lowercase as well, but you have to define the lowercase. So let's do that thing first. See, now everything is working. So now let's make that lowercase b. So when we run this thing again it will give us an error. Why? Because we have assigned a value to the uppercase A. We have assigned 30 to the lowercase b. And here we are asking him to pick up the value of the uppercase A. It will find that thing. But whenever we are asking him to find the value of the uppercase B, it will look for the uppercase B. But my friends, this is the lowercase. So again, it is giving you an error that I do not have anything with the uppercase B. So if you define it with the uppercase, you have to use it with the uppercase. If you define it with the lowercase, you have to use it with the lowercase. Now everything is okay. Just one other point. So here the print will always be lowercase. You cannot write print in any other case. It will always be lowercase. So let me check this thing. So if this, let's make uppercase P, it will give you an error that I do not know what capital PRINT is. So Python is case sensitive. So you have to be very, very careful with the letter cases. Now everything is good.